Holy frig, boys. It would be so awesome to be my dad. You know what I mean? Or my son. It would be friggin' awesome if friggin' I could just like drive my truck somewhere and smoke a couple cigarettes and have my truck fixed. And then just go home and it's fixed now. Yeah, that would be awesome. Decent. What's going on?
Oh, coming in?
Oh, we're coming in for Cheech?
Oh, in my truck in?
Oh, sorry about that. Thought it was break time.
Oh.
He's lucky he bought me inwood and helped me build the dome and helped me build the office and did all sorts of stuff for me. Oh, and helped me build the, rebuild this truck there. Also, I'd be like, go see if Fred will help, eh? No, you're good. No, you're good.
I found a spot where I can finally get some grease. Come on. Oh yeah, what?
Probably the brake leader.
Oh, it's a grease fitting. Come on. It is, right there.
No. See? Oh, right there.
Oh yeah, no shit. Scores! Grease me.
Holy dude.
What the?
Fucking crawdad. It's a fucking menace.
My name's not Dennis.
Right.
Is that normal?
Stuck. Stuck. Oh, crawdad is just choked. Look at this. We don't. He comes over here. We're missing all sorts of parts. Where's the rubber dink? This thing here, of course.
What do you mean missing? It's not missing.
Well, do you have a new one of these?
Well, no.
Oh, I thought we were doing brakes. You come over and missing parts.
We were investigating to know what I need to buy for brakes,
well,
not just
need...
tear them apart and start having at it with no parts.
you need this. So I had this guy here, but it's like out of a Dodge, because of course it is. And so it was like this, right? But it's only the half hectare. So if I try to put it in the same way, this is too big, but if we flip it around, that just stabs right in there mucho, and then that side's same as that side. We cut this in half, put it in upside down, good enough for crawdad. Hey, check this out. Book. Where's the thing? Like, are you serious? Like, yeah.
Oh, that's mine.
What?
This one.
Put the wrong one in there?
Yeah. Oh, now you broke it. This one goes over here. That one goes, there you go. See? More better.
We gotta get a little lubrication on there, but now we got an extra. Get a 2-for-1 deal out of that one. Scores! Crawdad over there just running the ball sack off my bench grinder. Look at that, eh, boys? We make her work here in Inwood. Oh, you don't got the right stuff? Well, we got so much junk laying around that 19.5 times out of 10, we'll be able to make her work. Oh, I see you clean the grease out of that one really good. Nice.
I think that's almost good enough for crawdad.
Where are you going? Winnipeg?
Oh, Nova Scotia.
Oh yeah. Why do you keep
Atlantic Ocean.
Why do you keep
We
telling
want
me
to pet the
Winnipeg?
sharks and shit. My super glue is still holding too. Did you see that?
What'd you super glue?
The tail ends. God. Fuck, I ain't spending $1,300 on a tail end.
Right.
But I've been looking around too, and I don't see too many trucks with that type of tail ends on it.
Yeah. Well, it's only, I guess, the GMCs and fucking Chevys
Well,
are
and
different.
it's all in one. Like on Gord's, his still has the light bulbs. You undo it, you take it out, you change the light bulbs, you put it back in, you screw it back in. This one has a little plug. There's no light bulbs except for the backup light. Done?
Yep.
Try it back on. Maybe.
It'll fit.
How do you like the polymer? Huh? How do you like the polymer?
Oh, the polymer is nice.
Had the buffer the other day.
Ooh, see what happened?
What happened?
Well, now you got all type of extra shit to do, buffing trucks.
Yeah, I know. Can't help it though, the dust just settles on it and not very nice. Probably good enough for crawdad.
Pretty good chance. Pretty good chance.
Need a little hose?
Did you? Yeah, yeah. My hose for my friggin' undercurtain friggin' sprung a leak yesterday, so that's totally awesome. I got undercurtains Wednesday. I got to get my truck safetied Wednesday too. But did you pump the brakes a couple times before you took off, or did you just?
Well, yeah, I had to when I was in there. Fuck, they went right to the floor. What do you expect? So I kept pumping, and they're right up to snuff now.
Forgot to tell you. Oh, look at all the peter gnats around crawdad. Can you see those?
You what?
Oh, you're just swarming with peter gnats. Look at them. You see those right here? Right here. See them? Yeah.
Yeah, what are all them things?
They're peter gnats.
I don't like
They're
them.
from your peter.
I don't like them.
It's because you don't wash proper.
I had a bath last Saturday. Oh no, this is a new month.
Yeah.
This Saturday, bath time.
Scores.
Alright.
Scores.
Well, keep me up to date.
Look at the polymer shine. Holy
I'll
stuff.
have to grab that when I'm down with the grease. I'm just not going to drive down here and wait for you to come home and get me to say 4 o'clock. Oh yeah, he'll be here half an hour. Then just wait.
2.5 hours later, he'll still be an hour.
She comes out. Oh, it's going to be at least till 6. You want to wait? Bye. No, quit. I waited long enough now.
It's just dying in the sun. Eh?
All right.
Good times. Look at the polymer shine. Holy suffering. Hardly tell.
Good enough for crawdad.
Right? Right? Oh, I have to make you a shirt too. I only made black ones right now. You want a good enough crawdad shirt?
Yeah, but not. You can't wear black in the sun.
Well, some guys like black. Some guys, oh, my white shirt gets mussy every time I eat a Taco Bell. And then they only wear black, and then they can just flick the crust off.
But if you're working outside in the sun and stuff,
Oh, I
black
know.
is just not the way to go.
No, quit that kind. All right, well, try to do a couple stops, see if it makes a clunk noise, see what happens.
I will, but we're going to be doing them regardless anyway. I think it's just about time.
Right? Oh yeah.
And I won't have anything to worry about on the way down there.
See, they'll last a lot longer, eh? If you every 6 months or so, you just take them apart and do that grease thing, just like we did on the front, but before they're fucked, right? But you just gotta put it on your calendar or something. Okay, we're gonna do this 6 months. We're gonna grease them again. You know, take them apart, pull the pins out, put new grease in, make sure everything's free.
Yeah, but see, you know, when you have a shop like yours, things that are just regular maintenance to you cost me a lot of money to do shit like that.
Well, yeah, but I don't even do mine. But if you come over, I'll do yours. It's just the way my brain works. I do other people's stuff all day. Work digging in other people's yard all fucking day, no issue. Come here, oh, I gotta dig, fuck, oh, fuck. Like, I gotta put a French drain in along there. It's like 35 feet. Fucking take half a day tops. Fucking be sweet. Quit. Too hard.
I'm like that too when it comes to projects at home. Unless your mother's right there riding me all the time. Just when I get around to it.
Right.
Alright.
Okay.
See ya.
Hopefully it stops this time. Smoke cigarettes. Oh, there was a little clunk. What was that? Oh, he's got wasps. He's got friggin' wasps in there. You see him swatting, flailing his arms. Oh, but yeah, you ever get that where it's like if it's somebody else's shit, it's not a problem. You can work on it, fix it, this and that. Somehow in your brain it doesn't, you know, it's like, well, this isn't going to cost me anything if it's all dicked, right? So let's do it. But if all of a sudden something happens and oh fuck, no, it's going to cost me all types and quit, you know what I mean? But yeah, I don't know. Something's wrong with clients. Well, anyways, boys, crawdads brakes are just dackered, so he's got to get all new brakes and different things. So we ordered those up. They'll be here in a couple days, and we'll get that all fixed up for him. But got good enough for crawdad shirts on the website there. We got Nelson shirts, good enough for crawdad shirts. Breaking Too Muchy Mariola Hustler shirts. We're working on like some Too Muchy's herbal boner tablet shirt. We're working on a design and stuff, so that'll be a good one. And yeah, so welcome to come on onepodlift.com and order some merchandise to help the program out, boys, because we are cocked. But anyways, appreciate you watching, and yeah, stay tuned for the friggin' the repair of the brake jobs on Crawdads rig. Should be super fun and exciting. But anyways, boys, smoke cigarettes, can't go.